Hi friends, this video shows how to add a movie or show to watch list. First let me go to watch list. From top set a library. See here you can see the watch list. So you can see 3 items here. Next I am going to add one movie to this watch list. Let me go to home screen. Then select one movie. Let me select this one. Then press and hold OK button or select button on the remote. Then here we need to select this third option, add to watch list. Done. Then go back. Let me check watch list. Go to library, select library from top, and here you can see that movie in this watch list. So this way we can add. Next I will show you how we can delete an item from the watch list. Let me delete this one. Select, then press and hold OK button on the remote. Then set watch listed. Select it. Done. Then go back. See. This way we can delete. Okay, so you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.